Bluehost and HostGator are two of the most popular companies in the web hosting industry. Choosing between these two hosts, however, is no easy task as both offer great features and fantastic value for money. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and make sure you hit the subscribe button before we continue with these reviews. Thank you. Also make sure to check the links in the description below for the best prices and discounts on these hosting services. Although HostGator and Bluehost are technically both owned by Endurance International Group, there are a number of factors that you should take into consideration when deciding which one to choose. In this video, we'll be comparing their features and also break down the key things you need to know about both hosting services in detail to help you make an informed decision. Signing up for an account with Bluehost is pretty straightforward. When you access your account, the dashboard is very easy to use. You can manage just about anything concerning WordPress from this dashboard quickly and easily. Signing up for HostGator is also easy. The account dashboard has an interface that's easy to navigate, and the control panel seems really great too. Both Bluehost and HostGator are pretty similar in terms of usability. The only difference is how well Bluehost integrates with WordPress. Both dashboards have a beginner-friendly interface, so both the novice and experienced user can enjoy them. Both of these hosting companies offer some impressive features. You will get a lot of value for your money, regardless of the provider you select. Let's take a closer look at the features on both sides. Features of Bluehost include a free domain name when you register, cPanel to help you easily manage your website, one-click installation of all the popular CMS including WordPress, Joomla, and even Magento, integration with CodeGuard, Constant Contact, and SiteLock, an on-site website builder that is powered by Weebly, advanced anti-spam tools, free SSL certificate, additional domain privacy and protection features depending on the plan you choose. As a bonus, you also get $100 for Microsoft advertising and Google Ads. HostGator, on the other hand, has features such as one-click installation of all popular content management systems, integration with CodeGuard, Constant Contact, and SiteLock, free website builder tool that comes with hundreds of fully customizable templates, free website migration from your old web host. Other notable features are malware protection, free SSL certificate, daily backups, additional SEO tools, and a dedicated IP with the HostGator business plan. New accounts with Google AdWords and may also get up to $100 each in advertising credits. Bluehost is one of the 3 recommended hosts by WordPress. Bluehost is designed for WordPress, and that is their main selling point. HostGator also does a good job of hosting WordPress, but it's not their main focus. Starting with Bluehost, everything in the interface, servers, and features are focused on WordPress. Once you log into the platform, there's a setup process that installs WordPress automatically. WordPress comes with a separate dashboard that allows access to settings like updates, plugin management, and comment management. WordPress websites also get a staging tool, something that's not available for other CMS, and all that with a simple shared hosting. Bluehost also has managed WordPress plans starting at $19 per month for larger websites. It adds features like Jetpack, daily backups, malware protection, etc. With HostGator, you can use one-click WordPress installation from the dashboard. You can also find managed WordPress plans that start at $5 per month. These are not as inclusive as Bluehost, but they come with extra security features such as daily backups, malware removal, and DDoS protection. In regard to WordPress hosting, Bluehost offers a better performance and a wider range of features. Making your site's pages load quicker is an important factor for creating a good experience for your site visitors. Unfortunately, not all providers are capable of providing you with lightning-fast speeds. Slow connection speeds are a huge turnoff for web users, so it's an important factor to consider. Both Bluehost and HostGator do pretty well across the board. Both can load pages in under a second. However, there is a stark difference between the two companies. Bluehost has a slight edge when it comes to speed. There's no bloat, blocked requests, or lengthy connect times. Bluehost is also able to handle an influx of visitors more smoothly, not slowing down even when a site is bombarded with visitors. One of the reasons that Bluehost is faster is because the hosting accounts all come with CDN. Uptime is great for both, with HostGator just taking the lead with 99.99%, closely followed by Bluehost's 99.98%. HostGator offers a guarantee for uptime. If your site falls below 99.9%, they'll give you a free month of hosting to make up for it. Neither Bluehost or HostGator can be considered a leader in security. Bluehost plans include a free SSL certificate to protect your visitors when connecting to your website. SSL certificates are a must for any website, as many web browsers will warn visitors when they're going to a non-SSL site, and Google ranks sites with SSL better. Bluehost integrates with Cloudflare, a digital security and performance company, to handle extra security features on your website, such as spam protection and firewalls. If you are looking for more advanced backup and security features, Bluehost has higher-priced plans that include automatic backups and restoration with CodeGuard Basic and spam detection with SiteLock. Like Bluehost, HostGator offers a free SSL certificate to all customers. Along with that, they provide CodeGuard and SiteLock for malware scanning and backups. With automatic weekly backups, you won't have to worry about losing your website's data. When talking about the security features of Bluehost and HostGator, it is a tie. Both Bluehost and HostGator offer different hosting packages to suit the needs of each individual. Bluehost offers 4 different shared hosting plans and provides a 30-day money-back guarantee. This can be a great way to explore the features of Bluehost shared hosting without risk of losing money if you choose not to continue with it. HostGator offers 3 shared hosting plans, which are cheaper than Bluehost's. HostGator also provides a more extended money-back guarantee of 4 to 5 days. When it comes to price, HostGator has cheaper plans, but the added cost of Bluehost will provide more efficient WordPress integration and better features. So, HostGator has lower prices, but Bluehost offers better value for money. Both Bluehost and HostGator have a very extensive support team that is available 24/7 to provide expert guidance on your hosting needs. They both have a detailed knowledge base with video tutorials, how-to guides, as well as live chat and telephone support options. You can submit a ticket if you have an issue that is not covered in the knowledge base. It'll be received by a team that attempts to resolve the problem in a more personalized solution. Both providers do well, and both provide more support channels than most other web hosting companies. If you are looking for a web hosting provider that is reliable and has a strong reputation, Bluehost can be a good choice. We would also recommend them for anyone wanting to delve into the blogging world, anyone needing to set up small e-commerce websites, anyone that doesn't want to pay for extra bandwidth, anyone wanting flexibility about their website look. If you run a small to medium scale businesses, if you want good uptime and generous storage, if you need a cheap hosting for a limited period, or you want a more affordable option for big, high-traffic websites. HostGator is not for everyone. It's highly recommended if you're a blogger or online business owner. You should use HostGator if you're not satisfied with your current web hosting provider and want free migration. If you want to build your own website flexibly, if you have some technical experience with building and setting up websites, if you want to build multiple websites, if you don't want limitations from hosted platforms like WordPress, Shopify, Wix, etc., or if you don't want to worry about any kind of limits, even on lower plans. Both Bluehost and HostGator are reputable, well-recognized hosting companies that offer a suite of services tailored to meet everyone's needs. They provide competitive prices, and both providers appeal to beginners, as well as seasoned web professionals. It really depends on what your needs are. If you want a better value for money, ease of use, or WordPress integration, then Bluehost is a good option. If you care mostly about pricing and uptime, HostGator may be a better choice for you. Click on the links in the description below to access the best deals on either of these hosting providers. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, leave a comment, share with friends, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button for future uploads. Thank you.